Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make oat and neem facial scrub. I hope that you stay tuned and find out how I make this. To make this facial scrub, I'll be adding the oat into a blender. Blend the oat roughly so that it will have a texture that will help to exfoliate. Scrub. Oat is very good because it helps to treat dry skin, reduce redness and protect the skin against sun damage. I'll be adding the blended oat into a bowl. Add a tablespoon of neem powder. You can check out my video on how to make neem powder and all the benefits. Neem powder because it has many benefits for your skin. I will mix everything together. I'll be adding a tablespoon of castor oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Please, you can check out my video on how to make castor oil at home. Mix to combine. I'll store this facial scrub in airtight container and use later. I'll be showing how to make the facial scrub paste. Add about 2 tablespoons of the oat mixture into a bowl. Then you can add water bit by bit until it forms a paste. You can also use milk or rose water. Now the facial scrub is ready. To apply the facial scrub, wash your face with warm water. You can scrub the facial scrub in circular motion. It will help to exfoliate the skin. You are done applying the facial scrub. You leave it for about 20 minutes before you rinse it out. After about 20 minutes, rinse and pat dry. Scrub is so good because it is a natural exfoliator and it will help to remove any dead skin, dirty or excess oil that is causing pimple, acne or dull skin. Scrub will also help to brighten your complexion and make your face to look so soft. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.